Hello, everyone! Today, I'll be walking you through how to build our business name generator template from scratch. This tool is ideal for quickly generating the perfect business name to match your brand, and there's a demo video linked in the description below if you'd like to see it in action. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. First, we'll start by connecting the prompt component, which is designed to gather key information about your business. This could include your industry, target audience, and any specific words or themes you want in your name. A sample prompt is available in the description to help you customize it effortlessly. We'll then add the chat history to the prompt, so our generator remains context-aware, allowing it to build upon the ideas you've already provided. Next, we'll integrate the text generator component, which will use the input to produce a list of business name options tailored specifically to your brand. You can even keep the conversation going to make further adjustments until you find the name that feels just right. Finally, we link it to the output component, so you can view your generated business names instantly. That's it! We've successfully built the business name generator template. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.